What's up, guys? This is Chris with Ignited by Nature, and today I'm going to be showing you the Miracle Hot Springs, a little hidden gem in Idaho, right in between Buell and Hagerman. If you're stopping through and you want to check out some cool hot springs and also maybe go check out Blue Heart Springs, this is the place to go. Miracle has a bunch of different options. If you're passing through on a road trip, they have camping. So they got sites for campers. You can do tent camping as well if you just want to do something like that. They also have domes that you can rent out. They have one clear dome and then a couple other small little two-person domes. And they also have cabins. It's not really a cabin per se, it's more like a manufactured home, but looks rustic on the outside, but on the inside it's really nice. All right, let's go check it out.
So the room we're staying in comes with up to an hour and a half of private fuel times.
Nice.
And the lady was nice enough to give us 2.5 hours instead of an hour and a half.
That's cool. So the other one we got as part of it too?
Yeah.
Oh, sweet.
That's how she made it sound. If I get charged for, you know.
Are you flexing now?
Yeah. You get this on, edit this out, right?
Yeah. Nice.
Alright, fun fact about the private tubs. See those knobs there by the red hose? Those actually allow you to regulate the temperature to exactly what you'd like. So we were actually able to make it a perfect temp for the babes.
Say Dada.
Dada. Mama.
Dada. Yeah. So as you can see, a lot of different options. It's Friday morning, just woke up, everyone else is asleep. But as you can see, it's pretty relaxing. It's like me, 3 other people here. So it's not as wild as it was yesterday. I'm gonna give us a sneak peek at one of the domes so you can see what they have for that as well as far as accommodations. What's up, guys? They're gonna let us look at dome number 2. After you, my queen. Is there a light? Ooh, it's toasty in here.
We have our morning coffee area. Snug, but romantic. We have the marriage bed.
Oh, goodness.
Oh,
It's only a queen though.
Yes,
Michael's blushing already. Oh, there's a little fireplace too.
I know.
It's magical.
I know. I need some fresh air. This is so warm. I wouldn't go to sleep with this hot.
I like the smell though.
It's nice to know that it can get so warm.
Yeah, it kind of smells like,
Cedar, maybe.
yeah,
Yeah.
it smells like home. Hey, what's up, guys? This is Chris, Michael, Amy, Joelle, Kaden, and Angelica. It's Ignited by Nature, and this has been a Miracle Hot Springs experience.
Why do you say it like that?
This has been a journey to Miracle Hot Springs.